Hello, hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, Mommy. Good evening, Antu. Welcome,
Okay.
welcome.
Okay.
Hello, good evening, Antu, and welcome again to our class. So I am
Good
still,
evening. Okay.
so I am,
Hello.
hello. So I am still your teacher. So my name is Teacher Iris. So how are you today, Antu? Are you happy today? Are you
Yeah.
okay? Yes, wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for our lesson for today? Are
Mẹ
you
xuống
ready?
đề cửa.
Yes, okay, so let's read. What is
What
our
is
lesson for today? So let's say planes,
alien
animals.
animal?
Yes, very good. So for our lesson for today, Antu, we will talk about plains animals. So these are the animals. These are the animals that lives in the plain. So let us find out what are those animals. So now let us start and let's go to our next page. Okay. But first, let's watch a warm up video. So, are you ready? So, let's go. Let's watch a video.
Plains of animals.
Can you hear the sound?
Once there was a jungle. In that jungle, so many animals lived. They used to eat dinner together. A monkey thought,
We never get out
Monkey.
of this jungle. Why can't we go out of our house like people do in their cars? We'll go to a city and see beautiful places there.
What animal is that, Antu?
he shared his
It
thoughts with
is a
all the other
monkey.
animals. Everyone liked this thought. But the question was, how do we share this thought with the lion? Because he was the one who would have to give permission for them to go to the city. No one wanted to go and ask him. And then the monkey said,
Miss Fox is really cunning.
Really
You can go
cunning.
and ask him, Miss Fox.
when he asked the fox, she said yes to the proposal. Next afternoon, she went to meet the
The
lion.
lion.
She saw that lion was
Lion.
sleeping peacefully.
This
This
is
made
the
the fox
fox.
comfortable. She thought of talking to the lion. And everyone knows that lions really like the news about leaving the jungle. The lion woke up, and the fox told everything about the idea. Lion
Oh.
liked the idea, and he gave permission to everyone. Everyone decided to meet the next day. Everyone was told to tell the lion what they would do while they were visiting the city. All the animals were supposed to bring their own lunchboxes. All of them were so eager to begin the journey. That morning, they got up very early. Miss Elephant
What?
wore her favorite
Elephant.
black coat. The rabbit wore
Rabbit.
his white shirt. The deer got
Deer.
a nice golden bindi. They made a group of 3 animals and started their journey. The troop was led by Fox and Monkey.
Fox and monkey.
After a while, they reached the city. Oh no!
Oh no.
Something was wrong. When people saw them, all of them ran and hid in their houses,
They got
and
scared.
they were peeping through their windows. All the fruit vendors left their belongings on the road and just ran away.
Oh no.
Those fresh fruits and vegetables were very tempting to all the animals from the jungle, but they didn't eat it. What if the lion gets angry? And they just started walking. Finally, they reached a garden. Again, all roadside vendors ran away from the wild animals. Elephant took one cart with her to the garden. Now all of them were starving.
Okay.
They got ready to eat the lunches they had brought. Rabbit had brought radish and
Carrot.
cucumber.
Cucumber.
Lion had brought some meat. Elephant had brought lots of sugar cane.
Cane.
All of them ate a lot of food. They were sitting below a tree, and a photographer was sitting on the tree itself. He slowly came in front of them and took a very nice picture. Then all of them met local animals from the garden. There, they saw
Okay, so for that one, so that is a video about our lesson for today, which are examples of plain animals. So now let us start our lesson and see what those animals are. So now let's first look at our first picture. So we call this, let's say, this is plains. Let's say plains. Plains. Okay, very good. One more time. Plains, plains, plains.
Halim.
Very good. So we call this place plain. So this is where plain animals live. Next. Okay, do you know what animal is this, Ansu? It has a long neck. Do you know what animal is this? So we call this giraffe. Let's say giraffe.
So what?
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say G,
Tree.
raff.
Tree.
G, giraffe.
Giraffe.
Very good. So what animal is this, Antu? This is a giraffe. Let's say giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yes, very good. So this animal has a long neck. Next animal. What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this? Let's say this is an ostrich. Ostrich. Let's say os.
Trees.
Yes, very good. One more time. Let's say ostrich.
Trees.
Very good. So this is an ostrich. So it also has a long neck. Next animal. What animal is this? This animal is in the video. So we call this animal as fox.
Fox.
Very good. Let's say 3 times. Fox, fox, fox. Fox, fox, fox,
Fox.
fox. Yes, very good. Now let's go to our next animal. Do you know what animal is this? So this is also in the video. So this animal is an elephant. Let's say elephant.
Fun. Fun.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Yes, very good. So what animal is this, Antu? This is elephant.
It is elephant.
Wow, very good. So good job. Next, let's go to our next animal. Wow, what animal is this? Let's say this animal is a crocodile. Let's say Cro,
Cro,
co,
Ca,
dile.
Da,
Crocodile.
Crocodile,
Very good. So this animal is a crocodile. Very good. Next animal. What animal is this? We call this lion.
Lion,
Very good. Let's say lion.
Lion,
Very good. Next animal. What animal is this? So we call this animal zebra. Zebra. Let's say zebra. Zebra.
Zebra,
Yes, very good. This is a zebra.
Zebra,
Very good. So now let us find out more about this plain animal. So let us go to our next page. Okay. So let's look at our first animal. Let's say the fox. Okay. Anju, are you there? So this is the fox. Anju. Okay, hello again, Anju. So now let us say our first
Mẹ đang
animal.
giặt lúng túng ở trên mày là đi được đi đến nhau không đi ngon hai đứa rất cay xanh con
Okay, now let us look
đi coi thử
at our first animal. Let's say the fox.
lấy sao
Very good. So a fox is a small animal with a bushy tail. So it is clever or very smart, and it also run fast. So this is the fox. Okay, so
Block,
now Antu, what animal again is this? What animal is this? This is the fox. The fox. Let's say fox.
Fox,
Yes, very good. So that is our first animal. Let's go to our second animal. Okay, let's look at this animal. Let's say the elephant.
Elephant,
Very good. So this animal is the biggest animal in the plains. It has a long trunk and big ears like this one. This is the ears of an elephant. So it has a long trunk and big ears, and it is the biggest animal on the plain. So what animal is this again, Antu? This is the elephant. What animal is this? This is the elephant. Ele-
Elephant,
elephant. Okay, very good. Now let's go to our next animal. Let's see. This is the giraffe. Let's see. The giraffe.
Bubble,
Very good. So giraffe is the tallest animal in the plain. So it has a long neck for it to reach.
Banana,
Yes, long necks for it to reach tree leaves. So it eats the leaves of the tree. That's why it has a long neck for it to reach for its food. So what animal is this, Antu? This is the giraffe. Let's say giraffe. Giraffe. Say giraffe. Let's say giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yes, very good. So now let's go to our next animal. So for this animal, it is called as the lion.
The lion.
Very good. So the lion is known as the king of the plains. So it is strong and brave. So for this animal, so it is considered as the king of the plain because it is very, very strong and brave. So we call this animal as lion. Let's say lion. Lion. Let's say, can I hear your lion? Lion. So this animal is the lion. Okay. So now let's go to our next animal. So let's say this animal is the zebra. Let's say the
The
zebra.
zebras.
Very good. So this animal, so it looks like a horse, but the difference is it has a black and white stripes. So its fur or its skin, so it is colored or it has a stripes which is colored black and white. So when we see an animal looking like this with black and white stripes, so we'd call them as zebra. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, next. Let's go to our next animal. Let's say this animal is the ostrich. Let's say ostrich. Uh,
Two.
very good. One more time. Let's say ostrich.
Orchid.
Very good. So the ostrich is the biggest bird on the plains. So it cannot fly, but it can run very fast. So this is an ostrich. So let's look at the picture. This is an ostrich. So it is a big bird, but it cannot fly. It only runs very fast. So it can chase you very fast. Okay, so this is the ostrich. Okay, so next, let's go to our next animal. Let's say crocodile. Let's say crocodile. Croco. What animal is this, Antu? This is the crocodile. Let's say crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yes, very good. So this animal is a reptile that lives near water. So it has, yes, so it has a sharp teeth. So it can eat other animals. So this animal is a dangerous animal when you come near to them because it might eat you. So this is yes, eat you. So this is the crocodile. Let's say crocodile. Croco.
Crocodile.
Yes, very good. This is the crocodile. Next. Okay, so this place, we call it as the plains.
Plane.
Very good. Wow. So when we say plain, so this is a place where there is a wide open land with very or many grass. So it has a lot of grass and only a few trees. So big animals like giraffe, elephants, lion, ostrich. So they live in the plains. So most animals or most big animals live in this place. So we call this place as plains.
Berlin.
Yes, very good. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, so now let's look at this picture. What do you call this picture or this place? We call it
Florida. Wendy.
plains. Very good. One more time. Let's say plains.
Berlin.
Very good. Next, let's go to our next picture. What animal is this? This is a giraffe. Let's say giraffe. Giraffe. Let's say giraffe.
Turtle.
Giraffe. One more time. Let's say giraffe.
What?
Very good. So this is a giraffe. Next, what animal is this, Antu? This is the biggest bird on the plains. So we call this animal as ostrich.
Otter.
Yes, very good. This is an ostrich.
Otter.
Yes, very good. Next animal. What animal is this? This is the fox. Let's say fox.
Fox.
Fox, very good. Next animal. What animal is the biggest animal unto? This animal is elephant. Let's say elephant.
Elephant.
Yes, very good. Next animal. What animal is the king of the plains? This animal is the lion.
Lion.
Very good. Next one. What animal is our last animal? It has a black and white
Horse.
stripes. Zebra.
With
Very good.
silver.
Zebra. Very good. So this is the zebra. So next, let's go to our next page. So let's look at this picture. What animal is this?
Flamingo.
At Ele.
Not pretty.
This is an elephant. Let's see.
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good. So now let's answer the sentence. The elephant, let's say, the elephant is big. The elephant, let's say, the elephant is big.
Elephants are big.
Very good. Next. Okay, what animal is this, Antu, in the video? Let's look. What animal is this? This is the lion. The lion. So now let's read our sentence. Let's say the lion is
Is
running.
running.
Yes, good job, Ansu. Let's now proceed to our next page. Okay, what animal is this? So it has a black and white stripes. We call it the zebra. The zebra. Let's say the zebra. Let's read the sentence. The zebra
A zebra
is eating
eating
grass.
grass.
Yes, very good. So this animal is the zebra. Very good. Next. Okay, look at the picture, Antu. What animal is this? This is the crocodile. Let's say the crocodile. What animal is this? It is the crocodile. Let's say croco.
Sáng ơi mẹ cởi có hai người rồi mà em đi bắt tóc.
Okay, let's say the animal. The crocodile
Sáng
Okay, now let's say the animal. The crocodile is eating
được eating
meat.
meat.
Yes, very good. So this animal is the crocodile. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this, Antu? This is the fox. Let's see. The fox. So this animal is the fox. So what is the fox doing? The fox is,
Viewing.
yes, what is the fox doing? The fox is sleeping. Let's see.
Sleeping.
Yes, very good. Let's read our sentence. The fox is, the fox is sleeping.
Sleeping.
Yes, very good. Next one. Okay, now let's look at our questions. So teachers see that the fox looks like a dog. Do you know what a dog is? And two, yes or no?
No.
No? So a dog is an animal which can be a pet. So the fox looks like a dog. Do you agree? Yes or no?
No.
No? So no, the fox doesn't look like a dog. Let's say no. The f-
No.
the fox the fox doesn't look like
Look like
a dog.
a dog.
So no, the fox doesn't look like a dog. Next. So what do you think is the differences between a dog and a fox?
A fox.
So we say the differences is dogs
Dog.
live with
The reason
people
people
as pets,
a pet.
but foxes
A person
live in the wild.
live in the wild.
Yes, very good. So the dogs, so it can be pets, but foxes, it only lives in the wild. So they are free. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this, Antu, before we end our lesson? This animal is, let's say, the elephant. The elephant. Can I hear elephant? Elephant. Is the elephant big or small, Antu? Big or small, Antu? The elephant is big. Let's say the elephant is big. The elephant is big. Yes, very good. So now we will finish our lesson in this part. So this is the end of our lesson, Antu. I can see that somehow you are having a difficulty in understanding this animal. So teacher suggests that you practice these animals after our class. Okay? Okay, bye-bye, Antu. So I will go now to your brother. You did a great job
Hello.
today. Bye-bye. So I will go now to your brother. Okay, wait. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.